بعد دیدن این ویدیو بمیرم از گرسنگی، تو خیابونم زندگی کنم، برای هیچ کسی کار نمی کنم. نگاه کن، خودت قضاوت کن.
What if I tell you your boss doesn't pay you for your time? He pays you just enough to keep you showing up tomorrow. Think about it. If he paid you too much, you'd quit and build your own. If he paid you too little, you'd leave and find better. So he keeps you trapped in the middle, earning enough to survive, but never enough to escape. Hear me out, you see. They call it a job, but it's really a system. Your effort creates the wealth. Your boss collects the profit, and you get the scraps dressed up as a salary. And the trick? They convince you that a promotion is freedom, when it's just a shinier cage with a higher rent. Now listen carefully. Your boss doesn't need you rich. He needs you dependent. Because dependent workers stay loyal, while free people walk away.